For 125 years, our company has stood strong. This is because it has always been about the people. Their unwavering passion and commitment are what makes us who we are today. Our products are built by people who care, people who are dedicated, people who want to make a difference, and most importantly, people who are committed to providing the highest quality products and solutions. Anders Peter Pedersen was a visionary. He knew when he started Skive Børstefabrik in 1898 in a back alley in Skive that to make a difference, he needed a close relationship with the people who were using his brushes and brooms. He was driven to create products that met their specific needs and would go out to the surrounding farms and dairies and observe their work in detail. The resulting dairy brushes and brooms were setting the stage for the company's future. These close relationships with our customers has been at the core of what we do ever since. Skive Børstefabrik and the Pedersen family grew and expanded through troubled times. Family tragedy, 2 world wars, global depression, and a major fire all left their marks, but our people endured. Through all the challenges and changes, our home has always been in Skive in the northwest of Denmark. From our very first location at Tinggade to Østergade, and through Viborgvej, and finally to Rævevej. For 125 years, we have been part of the Skive community. Along with the privilege of being a community comes responsibility. At Vikan, we are committed to being an exceptional workplace and making a positive impact for the Skive area. Judging by the number of years our people have chosen to stay with us, we like to think that we are on the right track. Even the name Vikan, which translates into "we can," embodies our belief in the power of collaboration. Over the years, our company has continually pushed the boundaries of innovation in materials and manufacturing processes, cementing our position as pioneers in the industry. However, it wasn't until the late 80s that we truly made our mark on the food and beverage industry, with the introduction of our revolutionary color-coded hygiene line. This game changer was setting a new standard for cleanliness and efficiency, and we were just getting started. As our business expanded into international markets, our export business began to soar, and Vikan quickly gained recognition as a top-tier international supplier. It has been a truly exciting journey for our company. All of this, along with our ownership structure, is what sets us apart. In the mid-80s, the Pedersen family stepped down, and after changes in ownership, the Vissing family and later the Vissing Foundation took over in 1988. Being a non-profit charitable organization focused on medical research, sustainable energy development, and helping marginalized children and young adults, this unique ownership arrangement fills us with pride and inspiration. It means that we can ignore passing trends and fads and focus on creating meaningful, long-lasting change while we also give back to society. Today, we celebrate 125 years of the pioneering spirit of the people who made a difference starting in that back alley. 125 years of staying true to our principles of quality, innovation, and responsibility. That is our promise to everyone, because it's always about the people.